So today we're checking out Fortescue Falls. We came for a quick sneak peek yesterday, but I think today we're gonna hopefully go for a swim. But the view from the skywalk up here is amazing.
There goes Megan, first time in Karijini water. Is it cold?
It's not cold, it's just really slippery. So we're done at the waterfall. The sun's just starting to come out from behind the trees. I went for a dip. Jack didn't. Why?
Why?
Yeah.
There might be a crocodile in there.
Sure, mate.
We just got to the second part of Karijini Gorge. Check it out.
It's like where Mufasa died.
Mufasa.
Yeah.
Go.
You don't even know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, the Lion King. What the hell's going on here?
Maybe this is not it.
What do you mean?
I don't know, maybe we're just going off the track.
Nah. Yeah, I don't think this is the right way. Alright, we're lost. We're going back.
So we've just checked out of Dale's campground and we've got about 3 hours to kill before we can check into our next site of the eco retreat. So we're currently at Joffrey Gorge Walk to see a couple more waterfalls. Can't see any water so far, but at least this one's like really well, like you can see lots of signs so we know where to follow, unlike yesterday where we went down that ditch.
Little update from Jeffrey's Gorge. Joffrey's
Like
Gorge.
Game of Thrones.
Like Game of Thrones, apparently. Have a look at that. It's just a straight drop. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, so we're just done at Joffrey's Gorge. It wasn't actually a waterfall, but it was freaking amazing. And now we have to begin the trek back up to the top. And we have minimal water left, so that should be fun. And then our car is somewhere up there.
But this is the best one yet.
Yeah, amazing.
Alright guys, we just looked at Hancock Gorge.
Bit hectic for us
Bit
today.
hectic. So it'll give us a reason to come back
So we're just going to...
another time.
We know.
We know Rihanna.
I think this one actually, like the paths sort of interconnect a bit, so I think we need to keep an eye out for some signs along the way.
Let's do it. This is actually one of the nicer walks we've been on. I like this one. I think it's because we're down low out of the sun. So we just did Weeno Gorge. Turns out it's actually a loop back to the car park. That's a good thing, because there's a big hill
Except I want to go for a swim, so we have to go down and then up again to the car.
You didn't read any of that, did you?
What?
That paper there.
What did it say?
It said be very careful.
I knew that before reading it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Parkour.
That's Karijini done. We're going to head up and have some breakfast now. And yeah, head off to Port Hedland. We'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and head over to our Instagram for daily content. Our next video will be showcasing our time in Broome. See you then.